Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Canon EOS 6D Mark II Premium Holiday Kit. This bundle packs a punch, combining the impressive 26.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor with the Digic 7 image processor for stellar image quality. With an expanded ISO range, shooting up to 6.5 frames per second, and full HD video capabilities, it's a versatile powerhouse. The inclusion of the Canon BGE21 battery grip and extra LPE6 battery means extended shooting sessions without worrying about power. Plus, accessories like the TTL automatic speedlight flash, universal timer remote, and a generous 256GB memory offer flexibility and convenience. Connectivity-wise, the built-in GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi with NFC make sharing and remote control a breeze. And let's not forget the Pro Video Condenser Shotgun microphone for enhanced audio and the comprehensive software package for editing needs. The ergonomic design, including the Vari-Angle touchscreen LCD, enhances usability, while the backpack and tripod monopod combo ensure you're set for on-the-go shooting. Overall, this kit is a treasure trove for both enthusiasts and professionals, offering an array of tools to elevate your photography and videography game. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.